A very good morning and hello students. I hope you all are doing very well. This is your social science teacher Sangeeta Mahavar and today we are going to start a new chapter of your textbooks. Chapter 3 or Agriculture. Students, the main content of this chapter is we will study about the agriculture India, that what types of agriculture are found in India, what type of crops are found in India, that is food crops and cash crops, and about green revolution in India, as well as livestock farming. The first topic of this chapter is our agriculture. So students, in India about 70% of the part is the agriculture has been taken place. India is a primary and agriculture country. So India is a primary agriculture country. That means most of the population in India is depend on agriculture for their food as well as for their need of money. About 70% of Indian population depends on agriculture. Agriculture includes rearing, second is fishing, and third is forestry. Rearing means that is rearing of animals, fishing means that is we call that matsya palan, and the third is forestry. Fourth one is farming. Farming, that means growing of the crops, horticulture, and livestock farming. Livestock farming, that means rearing of animals for the food as well as for the personal benefits. India has different types of soils and climatic conditions, so it provides wide variety of crops. Students, you all know that in India a wide variety of soils are found. That means about the climatic condition as well as the soils are of different types, so the types of variety of crops is also different in India. So students, there are two main crops according to the season. According to the season, there are two main types of crops. One is Rabi crop and another one is Kharif crop. So student, these crops are sown in winter and harvested in summer months. That means ये जो crops होती है, ये winter में इसकी seeds को हम sown करते हैं as well as हम इसकी cut कब करते हैं, we cut in summer month. The example of Rabi crops are wheat, pulses, etc. That means गेहूं and pulses, that means dal. Now Kharif crop. The crops which are sown in summer and harvested in winter months are called as Kharif crop. That means ऐसी crops जिनको हम लोग गर्मी के मौसम में हम लोग seeds को sown करते हैं as well as हम लोग उसको cut कब करते हैं, winter months में. These crops are called as Kharif crop. Example rice, maize, cotton, jute, etc. These are the Kharif crops as you can see in the image. Also this is the Rabi crops and this is the Kharif crops. Farmers in India grow many crops, so the crops are grown according to the prevalent weather conditions. We all know that in India farmers grows many types of crops, but the crops grows according to the weather condition, that how is the weather and it is suitable for the crops or not. The crops are divided into two main groups. One is the food crop and another one is the cash crop. Food crop. Crops which are grown for human consumptions are called as food crops. तो ऐसे crops which are grown for human consumption, that means हमारे खाने के लिए जिन crops को हम लोग produce करते हैं, that are called as food crops. Example rice, wheat and millets. Cash crops. Crops that are grown by farmers for commercial gains or profit are called cash crops. ऐसी crops जो farmers के द्वारा grown की गई है उनके पर्सनल कमर्शियल बेनिफिट्स एज वेल एज गेन के लिए, उन क्रॉप्स को वी कॉल्ड इट कैश क्रॉप्स. एग्जांपल शुगर, कॉटन, टी, जूट, कॉफी एंड स्पाइसेस. दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ कैश क्रॉप्स. स्टूडेंट, नाउ फर्स्ट वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द फूड क्रॉप्स इन डिटेल. So the first food crops which is rice. So student, we will study about rice, that what the climate conditions are stable for the rice and where it is grown. Rice is the most important food crops. India has second largest production of rice after China. Rice is called as a staple food for the living in the southern and the eastern part of India. Rice is grown in wet and hot climate. Growing rice demands a continuous supply of water. 4,000 varieties of rice are grown in India. River basins and deltas are the ideal regions for growing rice. Student, that means that rice is an important food crop. We all know that because on a regular basis we eat rice. Rice is the right in India get the second position for the production of rice after the China. China is the first and the second is the India. Rice is also called as staple food because the southern as well as the eastern part of India, that जो southern part के जो लोग हैं as well as the eastern part के जो लोग हैं, they eat rice as the staple food. Okay student, now rice are grown mainly in hot and wet climate. The climate for growing of the rice is required, that is hot and wet. Growing rice demands a continuous supply of water. तो ग्रोइंग राइस के लिए हम लोगों को एक कंटिन्यूस सप्लाई ऑफ वाटर का डिमांड होता है बिकॉज राइस ग्रोन करता है इन दैट एरिया जहाँ पर वाटर की क्वांटिटी गुड अमाउंट में होती है. और इंडिया वी हैव 4,000 वेराइटीज ऑफ राइस. रिवर बेसिन्स एंड डेल्टास. रिवर बेसिन और डेल्टास जो कंडीशन होती है आइडल रीजन होते हैं फॉर ग्रोइंग द राइस. Now, rice are grown mainly in Assam, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana, Bihar, etc. These yellow parts in this map indicates the growing of rice. These are the states where the rice are grown. Top 10 states for rice production of India. Now, student, the next is the wheat. The next food is wheat. Wheat. It is the second important food crops for the peoples of northern India. Northern means this part of India is called as northern India. It is grown in cool and moist climate. For growing rice, we need cool as well as moist climate. Wheat are grown mainly in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. These parts indicate the growing of wheat or the wheat production states. These areas are the wheat production states of India. Third food crops is the millets. Millets include coarse grains like ragi, jawar and bajra. They are grown in areas with less rainfall where wheat and rice cannot be grown. So areas with less rainfall, student, which is the areas which are with less rainfall, that is Rajasthan. So millets are mainly grown in Rajasthan area where the area is dry and as well as the rainfall is less. Students, where the millets are grown, at that part wheat and rice cannot be grown because wheat and rice require a moist as well as a good supply of water. Example of millets are ragi, jawar and bajra, as you can see in this image also. Millets are grown mainly in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. So these all are the areas where the millets grown, as you can see in the map also. Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh as well as in Rajasthan. These areas, in these areas where the climate and where the conditions are dry as well as the rainfall is less, at that area millets are grown. The next or the fourth food crop is the pulses. Pulses means dal. India is the largest producer and consumer of the pulses. We all know that on daily basis we eat pulses. Pulses include moong, urad, masoor and arhar. Pulses are protein rich. We all know that dal is always rich in protein. So they are good for vegetarian people as they do not eat non-vegetarian items. So for vegetarians, pulses are very good for their protein gain. Pulses are mainly grown in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Karnataka. This black dot indicates the states where the pulses are grown in good quantity. That is Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Students, now we will study about the cash crops, the crops which are used or grown by the farmers for their commercial gains as well as profits. So the first cash crop is sugar. Sugar is made from sugarcane. We all know that sugar is mainly made from the sugarcane. It is the main source of sugar and jaggery, that is gur. So sugarcane is the main source for sugar as well as gur. India is the largest producer of sugarcane in the world. It requires fertile soil, hot and humid climate with plenty of water to grow. Okay, so students, India is the largest producer for growing the sugarcane, that is called as ganna, and for growing of sugarcane we required a fertile soil. The soil is fertile, hot honi chahiye, humid honi chahiye, climate जो होता है hot humid होना चाहिए, as well as अच्छे अमाउंट में वाटर का रिक्वायरमेंट भी होता है. शुगर आर मेनली ग्रोन इन उत्तर प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात, कर्नाटका एंड तमिलनाडु. These are the places which indicates the growing of the sugar. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Now the next cash crops is cotton. Cotton is used for making clothes. So students, the cloth which we are wearing is made up of cotton. It grows well in warm sunny weather and dry regions having black and alluvial soil. So students, for growing cotton we need a sunny weather. और region कैसा होना चाहिए? The region is dry with having a black or alluvial soil. Cotton is mainly grown in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Punjab, Haryana, West Bengal and Andhra Pradesh, as this black dots indicates the states where the cotton is grown, that is Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, West Bengal. These all are the states where cotton is grown. The third cash crop is the jute. So students, have you ever used the jute bags or the jute mats? Yes, it is a fiber crop. Jute is a fiber crop. Fiber, that means you all know that what is fiber. It needs lot of water and high temperature to grow. Fibers, that means jute always need a lot of water. A lot of water is required for growing jute, as well as the temperature is also high. It is used to make bags and carpets. Jutes are used to make bags and carpet. Jutes are mainly grown in Bengal, Bihar, Odisha and Assam. As you can see, these black dots indicate the states where the jutes grown in good quantity. That is the Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Odisha. These are the states where jutes are grown. Now the next crop, that is the cash crop, that is coffee. Students, you all like drinking coffee. Yes, I know that you all like. So, coffee is a beverage drink. We use coffee as a drinking. You all know that it is a drink. Prepared from roasted coffee beans, the seeds of berries and certain coffee spices. It requires cool weather and heavy rainfall. So for growing coffee, we require a cool, मतलब ठंडा weather होना चाहिए, as well as rainfall कैसी होनी चाहिए? It is heavy. Good amount of water is also required in the form of rainfall. And coffees are mainly grown in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. As you can see, this is the area, this is the coastal area, as well as in coastal area the amount of rainfall is also high. So these area, that is Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, are the places where coffee is grown in good quantity. Next cash crop is, that is spices. Spices includes chilies, cardamom, pepper, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, turmeric and ginger. Students, I know that we all like spices because spices is the main content of our food. Without food or spices without spices or food cannot be tasty. Spices require cool climate with heavy rainfall. For growing of spices, we require cool climate with heavy rainfall, as same as coffee. Spices are mainly grown in Kerala and Karnataka because coffee is also growing in Kerala and Karnataka because coffee requires cool and heavy rainfall, as well as spices also require cool and heavy rainfall. So Karnataka and Kerala, the places where spices are grown in good quantity, and these are other places where different types of spices are found. Rubber. It is used in making tires, insulators, tube for vehicles, covers and electrical cables, etc. It requires hot and humid climate. For growing rubber, we required hot and humid climate. Climate कैसा होना चाहिए? गर्म होना चाहिए, as well as humidity वाला climate होना चाहिए. As well as rubbers are used for making tires, seat covers, tubes of vehicles and many other things, as well as wires or cables also. Rubbers are mainly grown in Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. These are the places where rubbers are found. Rubber are grown in a good quantity. Now students, we will learn about Green Revolution in India. What is the meaning of Green Revolution and why it is started? So Green Revolution started to make a good fertilizer to make a good modern techniques of agriculture, as well as to include good fertilizers, good seeds, to make the agriculture production more. So in Green Revolution, the using of high yielding varieties of seeds are used, good fertilizers are used, modern techniques are used to increase the production of the agriculture, increase the production in the agriculture. Our country, so by this Green Revolution, our country becomes self-sufficient in food grain, and इसी प्रोसेस से क्या हुआ, एग्रीकल्चर में इंक्रीज आया इंडिया में. ओके, सो इफेक्ट ऑफ ग्रीन रिवॉल्यूशन, इंक्रीजिंग इन द प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज हुआ ग्रीन रिवॉल्यूशन से. फार्मिंग को कैपिटलाइजेशन मिला, रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट, रूरल एरिया के जो वर्कर्स थे, दैट मीन्स उन लोगों को, रूरल एरिया के लोगों को क्या एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोवाइड हुआ. इम्पोर्ट ऑफ फूड ग्रेन्स, बाहर से क्या बोलते हैं, फूड ग्रेन्स का इम्पोर्ट हुआ. एज वेल एज डेवलपमेंट ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज का डेवलपमेंट हुआ. इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ बढ़ा हमारा, एज वेल एज थिंकिंग ऑफ फार्मर्स का भी इंक्रीज हुआ. जो फार्मर्स की थिंकिंग थी, जो स्मॉल लेवल से वो हाई लेवल पर इंक्रीज हुई. Livestock farming. Livestock refers to one or more domesticated animals raised in an agriculture settings to get different elements such as food, fiber and labor. So livestock farming, this is new word for you. So livestock farming is a farming in which domesticated animal, that is जो domesticated animals होते हैं उनको हम raised करते हैं for agriculture, that means for food, fiber as well as for labor. As these, in this livestock farming, cattle are mainly used as a domesticated animals. Students, now this chapter is finished, and if there is any query or doubt, you can ask me anytime.